Stagiaire. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a very extra Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, Valentine's Day makeup look, whatever. In my last, was it my last video? Hold on. In my anti-Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, y'all can see that I was a little bit bitter, a little bit whatever. But in today's video, we just gonna give in and do a regular Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. It's actually not gonna be regular. It's gonna be very extra and glam. I honestly don't know where you would be able to wear this out to. I'm not going anywhere. I don't have a significant other. So we just gonna play with some makeup and have an excuse to use pink makeup today. So I guess if you guys want to see my extra AF of Valentine's Day makeup, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna start off with eyeshadow and stuff. So I'm just gonna prime my eyelids with my Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C10. Blend that out with a beauty sponge. In tutorials, you're supposed to literally explain every single thing that you're doing. Like, was I supposed to say, like, yeah, I'm blending this out with a beauty sponge? I don't know. I rarely do tutorials because I don't really know what I'm doing. I feel like I just, like, end up, like, I just do stuff and then it ends up looking okay. Like, I don't know how we got to that point, but eventually it ends up looking okay. So first I'm going to take the Beauty Bay EYN 42 color palette. All my palettes look like a hot mess. We're going to take Tutu and we're going to stamp that into the crease in sort of like a full cut crease layout, kind of. And then I'm going to take the Morphe M441 brush and I'm going to go into Tutu again and just start blending that out. I'm also going to take the Morphe M504 brush on Bare Necessities, which is kind of like a skin color shade, and just basically blend everything out with that. That's kind of like a shade that I always go into just to make sure everything is like blended out. Sometimes if I take my eyeshadow too high, I'll just pack on some Bare Necessities on there. Then I'm going to take Tutu again on that Morphe M504 brush and just add some more of that back into the crease. I'm basically going to be doing a cut crease. A little plug, if you guys want to know how to do the best cut crease ever, no, I'm just kidding, but if you guys want to learn how to do a cut crease, I have a whole, I'm explaining how to do it, I'm explaining how to do it here, but I have a whole video on how to achieve the perfect cut crease. I mean, perfect is an over exaggeration, but yeah. I'm gonna keep going back and forth with Tutu and Bare Necessities because I want this to be pink, but I want it to be very like kind of toned down. I mean, I might change my mind more as I go on, but as of right now, that's kind of how I'm feeling. I'm gonna take Make Them Wink and put that into the crease. Okay, so I cut my crease using the ABH Cream Contour Kit, and I use the shade Light or Soft Fair. Honestly, don't know, but either one will work. And then I basically just put White Lies from the Beauty Bay EYN palette on top, and then I also just set it with some Airspun powder just so all that good stuff doesn't move. So now we're going to move on to the part that makes it super extra. And we're going to take some flat back pearls and just like put them places. I'm really excited about this because I just feel like it's gonna be so cute, and I bought these and I just couldn't wait to use them, so we're using them today. And I feel like the best way to put on like pearls, diamonds, chains, whatever on your eyes is to use the duo lash glue with the brush in white, or is it white or clear? I think it's white, but it like comes on, dries clear or whatever. But I honestly feel like this is the best thing to use. So yeah. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'll do a little close-up in a second. I mean, I say this every time in all my videos, every time I do something, I'm like, I'm obsessed with this. But my face also just looks very, very dewy and natural, which I love. I feel like it goes so cute with this look. Lip combos wasn't really working, so I just threw on, I just took it off and then threw on just like a gloss and then like patted it, so like there's still some gloss, but it's not like you know what I mean, like that annoying like glossy feeling. But yeah, this is the finished Valentine's Day look. Like I said, I don't know if you did this, if you would be able to go anywhere. I mean, listen, you can go anywhere looking like whatever you want. Like you can do your makeup however you want and go wherever you want. Like who's gonna tell you not to, you know what I mean? But it is very extra, but I love it. And I'm going to be using these pearls, and I bought a bunch of like other diamonds. Like if you guys seen my Flo Milli mean recreation, I bought like colorful ones, so we're gonna be doing more with like pearls, gems, everything. Yeah, this video was so fun. I love this makeup look. I love how I did these lashes and kind of turned them to be like wispy or whatever. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting, you can follow me on all my socials. All that good stuff is in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, I literally almost forgot. Happy Valentine's Day or whatever if you have a significant other. I'm jealous. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, happy Valentine's Day. If you don't have a significant other, you know, just do something fun with your friends, with your family, by yourself, you know, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.